Hello everybody, this is Kai from Raising the Bar. This video will be about how a teacher can engage students in active learning. In my class, for this purpose, I use this file that you can see on the screen. It is an Excel file, and here 7 different random variables are modeled using Visual Basic. And you can see here the assignments that I usually give. For these assignments, I divide my class into teams, up to 7 teams, according to the number of samples. And the assignments are that the students have to collect a sample, observing what they see on the screen. They have to indicate the variable type, provide descriptive statistics for the sample that they collect, and finally illustrate graphically. And then, after students in teams finish those assignments, I randomly select one representative of a team and invite that representative to the board to explain the answer. Okay, so in order to be able to use this file, since there are macros, you need to enable macros. Initially, you saw that there was a message from Excel that there are embedded macros, and you could enable those macros. Now that there is no such message, I want to do it again. I close this file, then open it again. Okay, and here it says there is an option to enable content. I can enable content here, or alternatively I can go to options, and then here you see the last item is Trust Center. In this Trust Center, there is Trust Center settings, and in these Trust Center settings you can choose what to do with macros. This on the left side you can see an option macro settings, and here it says disable all macros with notification. The one that you can choose is this one. You can do it temporarily just to be able to use my file. Enable all macros. So you can enable it right here and say okay, okay. And actually, the way it works depends on the Office version. Okay, there are differences from version to version. So when you press this button, observation, you will see different realizations of those random variables. For example, the first one is a categorical random variable, and this is for colors, RGB, red, green, blue. Okay, and then first, usually I show to the students how this works. Okay, and after they're ready to write down the observations, I say reset, and we start from the beginning. Here is observation 1, observation 2, observation 3, and of course the students have to be given some time to write down those observations. For example, in case of sample 6, this is a pair of numbers. Okay, so the appropriate chart for this sample 6 would be a scatter plot. Okay, so one of these variables is a deterministic variable. I'm not telling you which one, you have to guess. And there are categorical, there are numerical, there is binomial somewhere, there is one that is normally distributed, and so on. So this is good enough for 7 teams, and usually I include in one team up to 6 people. So this file would be enough to provide work for a class of 42 students. This file will be uploaded, and in my post I am going to indicate where you can download it from. It's from Dropbox, and I wish you success. Thank you. Bye.